Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Streamlit so you're on a predictable build. Run pip install upgrade Streamlit. Once updated, open or create // Streamlit/config, toml to store persistent tweaks. You should also confirm hosting or license constraints so you aren't violating terms. After that, prepare to try a harmless client-side override first. It's quick and reversible and lets you see the effect before changing anything server-side or deploying widely. You'll inject a tiny CSS override inside your app. Use sent markdown with unsafe allow HTML equals true to add a style block that targets the watermark element and sets display. None. Important. Make sure you place this at the top of your script so it runs before other UI elements render. Once done, wrap that snippet in a helper function to reuse across apps and environments. This keeps removal consistent and easy to update if Streamlit changes class names next release. Finish by restarting your Streamlit server and clearing your browser cache to ensure the CSS loads fresh. If the watermark persists, use the browser inspector to find the current selector. Streamlit may change class names, so update your CSS accordingly. Make sure any changes respect hosting policies. If client-side fixes fail, look for a supported config option or hosting level setting. Troubleshooting tip. If updates break other styles, scope the CSS selector narrowly to avoid unintended override.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.